Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Annalisa from Creative Curious Learning and Living, and welcome to Vlogmas. We are kicking off Vlogmas with my Christmas Clean and Decorate with Me video for 2025, and then I will be sharing videos every day leading up to Christmas, so definitely stick around. If you are new here, I am a homeschool mom to 4. I have a 10-year-old, 8-year-old, a 5-year-old, and a 2-year-old, and here on my channel I share homeschool journey, cleaning motivation, home decor, sensory bins, and more. So if you like that kind of content, definitely stick around, subscribe, turn on your notifications so you know when I upload. Because I'm doing multiple videos, I'm going to be posting at different times throughout the day as I have time to work on the videos, or maybe I'm doing a vlog and I need a little bit extra time. Life is busy with 4 kiddos and homeschooling, and yeah, turn on your notifications. This video will be going up later in the day on Vlogmas Day 1. My littlest here was trying to help me, and I didn't want him to break the decorations, but he does come over and hand them to me as well. He was so determined to help. He is so curious with the tree and is always touching it, and it makes me nervous. But we're going with it, and a part of me's like, maybe I should just take off all the decorations. But only a few more weeks of Christmas, and he's doing okay. But he was helping me for a little bit, but he was giving me the decorations too fast for me to figure out where I wanted to put them on the tree. So I'm just going to keep decorating the tree. I did decorate the other areas off camera just because it's easier with the 4 littles and I can move things around and there's less editing. But you're going to see the decor as I give you some cleaning motivation, and I really like how my decorations turned out, and I hope this video inspires you to get up, get your cleaning done, and just see some fun ways to decorate. I will be sharing later in Vlogmas how I have DIY'd a lot of my decorations and thrifted a lot of my decorations. A lot of my decorations on this tree are from Dollar Tree and Dollarama. A few from Amazon, and then a few DIYs as well. So you can definitely do Christmas on a budget and build your decor up slowly over the years. Yeah. So, and I am so thankful that I picked up this organizer. I posted a video at the end of Christmas last year, organizing all my Christmas decor and all of the ornaments into this big organizer. And it was so nice this year. I just pulled it out, had all of the ornaments in one spot. I still do have a bunch of Christmas bins, but all of the ornaments were organized in here, and I didn't have to go rummaging through my bins to find this or this ornament or this ornament. It was all right here, and I condensed so much boxes and paper and just decluttered all of that, decluttered a bunch of ornaments and random stuff in my bins, my Christmas bins, that I did not need. It was crazy, the amount of garbage after I did that. So I definitely recommend these organizers and going through your Christmas decor and organizing it well. So I'm going to go ahead and put on some music as I continue to decorate this tree, and then I'm going to give you some cleaning motivation, and then we will move on to the kitchen as well, and I will show you the decor in there. And later on in the month I will show you some more decor around the house. I'm also going to be decorating in my living room and doing some cleaning in there. But yeah, I'll be sharing my bathroom and my bedroom later on in the month too. So definitely stick around for Vlogmas.
Everybody knows Christmas is coming, thank one and all. Time to hang your stockings, baby. winter night. Family's laughter fills the air. Hearts are warm, love is everywhere. It's the time of the year we love. Thank the stars and the moon above. Hug your kids, tell your friends. Christmas time is here again. Christmas time is here again. It's here again. Christmas time is here again. Go tell your friends. Christmas time is here again. Christmas time is here again. Snowflakes falling gentle and bright. Candles glow in the winter night. Family's laughter fills the air. Hearts are warm, love is everywhere. It's the time of the year we love. Thank the stars and the moon above. Hug your kids, tell your friends. Christmas time is here again. Christmas time is here again. It's here again. Christmas time is here again. Go tell your friends. Christmas time is here again. Christmas time is here again.
So this video was filmed over a few different days as I had time around my little ones. And when I'm filming in the night, that is when they are asleep. And I love to include little touches of Jesus. I have a sign up there that says, "Oh, Holy Night." I believe that Jesus is the reason for the season, that he was born to come and save us, and that his story began at Christmas, and we can celebrate him. So now we are moving on to the kitchen, and as you can see, it is quite a mess in here, and I need to go ahead and tackle it. I did not tackle all of this in one go in this video. Also didn't want to bore you with all of the dishes, but I'm going to definitely give you the cleaning motivation in the kitchen. First, I am emptying my little dishwasher here, and then I'm going to tackle that pile of dishes in the sink. I have been keeping up on them for the most part recently since filming this video, but the dishes pile up so fast. I can't get over it. It's like, how do they pile up so fast? I can't be the only one where the dishes pile up so fast. You do a load, and then there's another meal, or you do some baking. But I love that we have the ability to do them, and the reward of a clean sink, and they gotta get done. And we gotta use the dishes. So, yes. But just getting it done, and it is so satisfying to tackle a mess like this, to get the dishes out of the sink, to clean the sink, or like another task like cleaning the fridge out. Maybe there's a bunch of scum or milk residue on the shelves in there, and you notice that, and you need to go ahead and clean it, and you get to that task. It is so satisfying to open the fridge and get the food out once it is clean in there. So I hope that you can tackle some messes too and get that satisfying feeling that you've accomplished it and that it's clean, and it is so refreshing. So once again, I'm going to put on some music as I tackle these dishes and clean in the kitchen. I will show you more of the decor as we go along. As you can see, I decorated above the cabinets this year, and I gotta tell you, it was so dirty up there. I don't think I even cleaned up there, and it was gross. I didn't even realize there was a ledge there, but I'm so glad I did, and I cleaned it and decorated it, and Yes, find a spot in your home that is really, really bad that you don't even think about.
Feeling that fa la la, fa la la, fa la la. Can't believe that it's been a whole year. Now the day we've been waiting for's here. Only ask for one thing, it's you, dear. Bring on that fa la la, fa la la, fa la la. Everyone's counting down. So in this Christmas time, so in this Christmas time, will we get it right? Will my wish come true? Will my wish come true? Under these Christmas lights, will our stars align? Will my wish come true? Will my wish come true? When they're taking decorations down, tell me, babe, will you still be around? Singing that fa la la la. So in this Christmas time, will we get it right? Will my wish come true? Will my wish come true?
Alright, so the dishes are done. Now I'm just putting my little mini dishwasher on, and then I'm going to show you the decor in here. So I love how this little ledge above my cabinets turned out. I've been collecting these houses and the little trucks from Dollar Tree over the years. We've used them in sensory bins, but I decided to put them up here this year because my 2-year-old was being a little bit rough with them when I brought them out. So I'm so thankful that I thought about that ledge and got it cleaned and was able to add those up there. A fun new touch, switching up the decor. And as you can see, I have a gingerbread theme, which I love. It's been my thing for the past few years, and I don't think I'm ever going back. I just love it, and it is the most of the decor I have. And I don't have room to store more Christmas decor, and I don't think I could part with all of my gingerbread decor, so we're sticking with that theme and adding a few new touches every year. I have this little candle warmer, which I love, and this candle has been going for so long. With the candle warmer, the candles last so much longer, so I just love all of the little simple touches in here to make it festive. And we're going to move on into the living room and do some cleaning in there as well. So since I filmed this video and got the windows wiped down, I DIY'd this shelf. This is like my craft room off to the side. This shelf is mounted to the wall and then it's separated by a baby gate. But I actually added some contact paper to this calyx because there's cardboard and duct tape on there to keep the kids out of those shelves. but I hate how this looks. So I picked up some contact paper from Dollarama to fix it so it looked better. So I'll be sharing that in Vlogmas Day 2, so stay tuned for that. And yes, we do have an outdoor Christmas tree. This was that was our first Christmas tree we had, and it was just getting so old, and the lights, original lights, burnt out, so we just add lights to it outside, and I love how it's outside. So just showing you the decor, a few close-ups, and I'll be sharing more details about my decor as we go along. So one final touch to this living room, we love our Christmas ducks. So my 2-year-old really loves ducks for whatever reason. He has liked ducks since he was like 6 months old. He just gravitates towards them. So we have collected over the years and thrifted a lot of them from Dollarama. Christmas ducks, he also got an advent calendar last year. So we have these little shelves, and I put them here this year for all of our Christmas ducks, and it's really, really fun. The kids play with them constantly. We also have a bunch of Christmas stuffed animals that I put out every year that we've collected. I didn't show that in this video, but I love to add those little simple touches for the kids. And they have their little step 2 plastic Christmas tree with some trains, and then they have a little people Christmas set and the nativity set on the train table. So just a bunch of little fun elements for them. So that is going to finish up today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing, and definitely come back for Vlogmas Day 2. I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.